Hi everyone. Today we're doing a really simple, wonderful practice that's called the 6 directions of the spine. It's great to do morning, noon, or night. You can do it sitting on the floor or sitting on a chair. And it's also great and kind of essential for any kind of warm up to your regular kind of longer yoga practice. This is a wonderful way to warm up your body. So let's get started. Come into a cross-legged position. Go ahead. You can start with your favorite foot in front. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to feel my hips, my pelvis really root into the ground. We'll start with a deep breath in. Reach your arms out and up. Nice deep breath in. Feel your chest lift and rise. Exhale. Push your hands apart like you're clearing all the clouds out of the sky. Push your arms down and to your sides. Good. Relax those shoulders. Inhale. In through the nose, all the way in. Fill up those lungs. Exhale through your mouth. Exhale all the way down. Fingers come back to the floor, but you're still nice and tall the whole time. Inhale, press your thighs down. Lift up through the chest. Exhale, move apart the clouds. Push them out of the way. Good. Here we go. First 2 directions. Inhale. We move sideways. Exhale over to the right. Put your right hand on the floor. Take a nice big stretch over to the side. We call this a crescent sometimes. I want to be careful not to lean too hard onto my right hip. You want to keep both your sitting bones touching the floor. Good. Relax your head. Just stay here a moment longer this first time. Inhale, arms rise. Feel the moment that your hands touch. Feel that moment. Nice. Good. Exhale over to the left. Nice side stretch. Maybe I can't go as far on this side. That's okay. Shoulders relaxed down the back. Not too hard, but they feel free to move and wiggle a little bit. Let's move with breath now. Inhale. Hands touch overhead. Exhale over to the right. We're breathing now in and out through our nose as best we can. Nice and full. Inhale through the nose again. Hands touch. Exhale over to the left. Maybe you go a tiny bit farther this time. You start to warm up a little bit. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Lift. Exhale. Maintain that connection to the ground. Breathe with the wind. Can you hear it? Nice, cool summer day. Breathe with the wind. One more time. Inhale, rise. Exhale to the right. I'm starting to feel a little looser. Inhale, rise. Exhale to the left. Don't worry about how far you're going. It doesn't matter. What does it feel like? Inhale. Next 2 directions. It's a rotation. Go over to the right. Put your right hand on the floor behind you. I can only get my fingertips down. Whatever you can reach. Push off the floor. Lift your chest. Turn your chest and head and push off of something. My left hand is going to push off my right leg. Maybe you want to push off your left leg. Doesn't matter. Where can you get some leverage? Some people have such long arms they can touch the floor here. That's fine too. Good. I took a few breaths just to feel what's really happening here. When I inhale again, I unwind, come back to center. Exhale to the other side. It's like you're wringing out your spine, rotating, looking behind you, even with your eyeballs. Eyeballs look to the left, way behind me. With breath now, let's synchronize breath and movement. Inhale, hands touch overhead. Exhale to the right. Inhale, rise. Exhale to the left. See if you can hold your tummy a little bit tight. Use those abdominal muscles. It's going to help root your foundation. Inhale, rise. Exhale. We also want to squeeze our bum a little bit. See if you can squeeze the bottom of your bum together. Inhale, rise. Exhale to the left. Good. So that was 3 and 4. We had side bends, rotations. Here we go. 5 and 6 is what we famously know as cat-cow, but we're just sitting down. You're going to inhale. Your chest is going to rise up towards the sky. Hold on to your knees. Exhale, lean backwards, tuck your tail under, tuck your chin, round your shoulders, push your thighs down. I'm going to show this from the side so you can see. Inhale, you can stay where you are. Facing forward, yep, chest rises, shoulders back. Exhale, really lean it back. This time you're rolling onto the back of your tail. My tail is almost underneath me. Inhale, rise. I'm on the front of my sitting bones. Exhale, round it out, round it out. Good. We're going to combine all of these movements now together in one flow. Here we go. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, side bend right. Really complete that movement. Find your edge. Inhale, rise. Hands touch. Exhale to the left. Very nice. Finish that movement. Inhale, arms rise. Fill up your lungs best you can. Exhale, twist right. Look behind you. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, twist left. Really finish that movement. Punctuate that movement. Inhale, rise. Exhale, we go backwards. Lean backwards. Tail under. Chin tucked. Shoulders down and round. Inhale. Chest forward, shoulders back. Exhale, back to start. Same thing again. Switch your feet. Other foot in front. That funny foot in front. Your lesser favorite, more uncomfortable position. Let's do it from here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Don't be perfect. Don't try to be perfect. Be yourself. Move freely through your body. Inhale. Here we go. Round it out. Exhale. Inhale. Chest lifts. Exhale. Back to start. One more time on this side. Breathe in. Soft shoulders. Move to the side. Reach. Good. Inhale. Fill up a little bit more. This time exhale just a half second longer. Inhale, arms rise. Twist to the right. Finish your breath. Feel your abdominals pull in and root your pelvis. Inhale. Other side. Inhale. Good. That cat rounded shape from sitting. Tuck tail under, belly in. Good. Inhale. Shoulders back, 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 back. Lift your heart. Exhale, back to center. Good. Let's do the same kind of thing. We're going to move to hands and knees. We're going to come into a nice, strong table position. Hands under knees. Hands under shoulders. Knees under hips. Inhale. Draw your heart forward. You know this one. Cow pose. Toes reach back. Feet planted. Tops of the feet planted. Exhale, looks towards your navel. Round. Pressing your hands into the floor. Inhale, heart forward, shoulders back. Exhale and round. Good. Inhale one more time. Heart forward, shoulders back. Exhale. Now really round out through the shoulders and from head to tail. Good. Come back into a neutral spine. Push your hands down, lift your chest, look slightly forward. Inhale, bring your right knee in towards your chest. Exhale, swing it back behind you. Cross over the left foot and look past your left shoulder. It's a side bend. Good. Inhale, straighten through the center. Knee towards your chest. Exhale, cross over. We're on the same side. Look over your left shoulder. Good. Bring it in. Inhale. Exhale, cross. Look. Lift up your belly just a little bit. One more time. Inhale, knee towards the chest. Exhale, cross it over. You're stretching the right side of your waistline. Good. Come back to center. Inhale, left knee in towards your chest. Exhale, cross over, tap the floor, and look at it. Look, look, look. Inhale, drawing it in, belly strong. Exhale. Remember, we're not in cat or cow here. We're keeping kind of a neutral spine, so hold your belly strong, knee in. Exhale, touch the floor, look, one more time, knee in, exhale, and tap and look. Good. Back into that neutral table position. I'm going to move my right hand a little bit more to the center rather than over at my shoulder. Inhale, sweep that left arm up towards the sky. Exhale, put that left hand by the right. Inhale, other side. Push down through your left arm. Take a twist. Your hips might shift a little bit. That's okay. Exhale, place the right hand down. Inhale, extend, open. Exhale, place it down. Inhale, open, extend. Exhale, place it down. One more time each side. Inhale, push into the right hand. Extend the left. Back down. One more time. Over to the right. There we go. And back down. Good. Good, good, good. Here's how we finish today. Hands are going to come about shoulders distance. Knees are going to come a little wider apart. We're going to do one of my favorites, child's pose. Go ahead and reach your hips back to your heels. Reach your arms forward, but not too far. Put your forehead on the ground. Put your elbows on the ground. Take a deep breath in. A full and complete breath out. Notice how you feel. Rest and relax here for a few minutes, or you can move on now to your own personal practice. Or you can come down onto your back and take Shavasana. Lying down in a comfortable position. Arms and legs extended, head resting on the floor, eyes closed. For just a few moments to integrate, to relax, to be quiet.
Ready for yoga? Yeah.